Hello there, I'm Josh from Honda Bolton, and today I'll be showing you around this used car for sale. This is the Toyota CHR XL Hybrid. It's equipped with a 1.8 litre self-charging petrol hybrid engine and automatic transmission, with the vehicle also being ULEZ compliant. This sleek grey example we have for sale comes to us in excellent condition with just one previous owner. You've got some great exterior detail, including this contrasting black detail to your grille, as well as a rear spoiler for that extra sporty look to the vehicle. You've got great visibility all around thanks to LED headlights and rear lights. And you'll notice as we head into the boot, it does come with a protective mat, so you're protected in the event of any spillages. Heading into the rear interior of the vehicle, you've got a nice and premium feeling cabin thanks to a full leather upholstery, with some great extra utility options such as your moulded cup holders on the sides of your interior door cards. Heading into the front of the vehicle, you've got some lovely branded door sill trims alongside an electronically adjustable driver's seat, so you can find that optimum comforting drive position with ease. The driver does also have access to a heated multifunction steering wheel. On the left side, you've got basic volume and hands-free call options. On the right, you can use these to navigate your digital driver display. You can use said display for basic drive information, as well as viewing your assist functions and vehicle updates. Your main touchscreens where you'll access your various entertainment options, including DAB, FM and AM radio, with Bluetooth connectivity allowing for audio streaming and hands-free call access. You've then got a built-in satellite navigation system to help you find those newer destinations with ease, and when placing the vehicle in reverse, you do have access to a rear view camera for ease of manoeuvring. Moving just below, you've got a dual zone climate control setup accompanied by the toggles for your heated front seats to keep you nice and warm in the winter. You've then got a nice bit of extra central storage for various small items. Thank you for your interest in this Toyota CHR XL Hybrid, available now from Honda Bolton. For more information, please contact a member of the sales team.